Okay, everybody, so we got chicken with wine sauce dish, a little bit of French. So what I did is, I didn't have any bacon, so I used some pork, bunch of sliced pork rump, I guess, or roast. And then I sauteed it in here in the Instapot for about 5 minutes. Got the mushrooms, stir those in there a little bit, let them soak up the juice. And then I've got ready already some, you should use onions or shallots. I didn't have any, so I just used some green onions and chopped up some carrots, make them thick cut because they're gonna get real soft. And then main thing is the marinade. So I just threw some raw chicken in here, first salt and peppered them, and then poured in about a cup of white wine in a bag with some thyme. I didn't have any fresh thyme, so I just sprinkled a whole bunch of powdered thyme in there. And then we'll add in some chopped onions too from Costco. I didn't have any fresh ones. And that's about it. And let's see what happens here. Okay, everybody, so this is the look you want to get. All right, so what I did is I just took the chicken, browned it in the pan. So I just, put some butter in the pan, brown it up, okay, all around, and then throw in here also the carrots, the onions, or spring onions, or whole onions, or whatever you got. Throw the chicken in here. It's all on top of the pork on the bottom. I also threw in a handful of garlic pieces. So maybe there's actually 10 pieces of garlic in here. I just threw the whole chunks in, pre-peeled, easy. That's the way I get them at Costco. All right, and then add about a cup of chicken stock. Add the remaining liquid that was in the bag, that was the marinade. Pour that whole thing in there. And we're gonna put this on cook. I tried to go 20-30 minutes on pressure cook on the Instapot. Now while waiting, I made the beurre meunier, which is just butter and flour mixed together. So take half a stick of butter, take 1 tablespoon of flour, and just mix it up with your hands till it's thoroughly mixed together. I'm going to use that later to thicken the sauce. Okay, now it's done cooking and it's done resting, and it looks delicious. It's delicious. The carrots, the onions, the garlic, everything, soft chicken. So just scoop out, take your pieces out, put them in a side pan. Now strain out the fat from that liquid and then add the butter with the flour, that special mix you just did, right to this pan when it's really boiling. And then you thicken the sauce. All your chicken and vegetables, everything's on the side dish. Get ready to pour that delicious sauce over the top and then serve your chicken and vegetables and everything over a bed of rice. It's delicious, absolutely delicious. And with a fork, it's very tender. You can experiment with the time, maybe ease off, maybe go 15-20 minutes even. And you just have some wonderful chicken with that mushroom, that flavor, the onions.